Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you a video of myself painting a reverse stencil with spray paint. As you can see, this is what I like to call a reverse stencil. This is the actual original of the stencil, and that is what came out from the stencil. That is the reverse stencil, what I like to call the reverse stencil, and I'm going to show you how to paint it using spray paint, okay? Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to actually secure it down to the surface that you will be painting on. So as you can see right here, that's the reverse stencil. Now, you can use a wide variety of things to secure it. I just like to use just a little bit of tape. You want to get that tape close to the edges so that it really holds down the edges of the stencil. Now, the greatest thing about reverse stenciling is that you don't need a lot of tape and you don't need a lot of adhesive, simply because you're just trying to hold it down onto the paper. And when you're spray painting, you're going to be spray painting from a distance, so you really don't need that much tape or adhesive. An alternative to using tape, a popular alternative, is to use spray down adhesive. But like I said, I'm just using tape. I'm in my garage right now, no pun intended. It's kind of cold, that's why the tape's not sticking too well. But in reality, we're just trying to get it down onto the paper. I'll put one last piece of tape right over there. It is a stencil, I should say a reverse stencil of a mustache, just in case you can't tell. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it down onto the sheet of paper just like that. We're going to just press down, make sure that it's nice and firmly pressed down. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this just a little bit further back, okay? We're going to adjust the camera just a bit. And what I have here is some paint, some spray paint. I actually just have a can of primer that I'm going to use. You can pretty much use any color and any kind of spray paint that you want. I'm going to shake it up. That's the first thing that you want to do. Well, the first step is opening the cap, which I'm trying to do right here. There we go. Then we're going to shake it up. Shake up that spray paint, and when you spray paint, you want to get a good distance away. So I'm just going to lift up the camera. I'm going to show you. You can see I'm here in the garage with all these tools and stuff. I'm going to spray this from a good distance away. You don't want to go too close because then it's going to run. You really want to go, I don't know, I would say about 12 to 18 inches away. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray paint this onto the surface. Now I'm going to get a little bit of height over here. Let's go ahead, and you want to just go across, pressing and releasing the button as you spray paint. You don't want to hold it down. You want to go like this, just like that. You can see right there. Sure, we're just going to spray paint the workbench too. Might as well, It shows, it gives us some character. So as you can see right there, just like that. Now, if you really want, you can hit it one more time, just like that. Really make sure that it's nice and thick, just like that. Okay. All right. Now you're going to give it a few moments to dry. And you're going to let it dry, and once it's dried, then what you're going to do is you're going to actually go and take it off of the sheet of paper, and you're going to have the final result. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to go ahead and take it off the sheet of paper before it dries, just because, for me, I might as well just grab it. I'm actually going to just grab a glove right over here so that I don't get my hands dirty for the most part. So with my glove, this probably isn't a great glove for the job. I'm not going to lie. I think I might mess it up, but we're going to try anyways. With your glove, you're going to go ahead and lift it up off just like that. Just like that. As you can see, it looks incredible. We have done a reverse stencil mustache on a sheet of paper, and the greatest thing about this is that you can replicate it pretty much on any surface with any type of thing. But as you can see, this is the final result. It looks amazing, in my opinion. And that's it. That is how to do a reverse stencil artwork. How to do reverse stencil artwork with spray paint. Very simple process, and I used this stencil I actually got from Stencil Revolution, which they have a massive selection of stencils. And what I would suggest is you take a look in the description. I'll have a link to Stencil Revolution. You can check them out. They honestly have a ton of stencils, and this one was one of them that I actually got. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.